Mas mainit, mas tinatamad, lalo na pag height ng summer. Kapag sobrang init, parang ayaw mo gumalaw. Gusto mo nakaupo lang, pero para kang ice cream na natutunaw sa sofa. Meron ka sanang assignment or work or house chores or gusto mo mag-workout, pero biglang later na lang, ang init eh. Your brain and body are quietly struggling and you don't even realize it. Yung init level with global warming tapos summer pa, para kang nasa loob ng oven toaster. You open your laptop, you're ready to become productive, pero after 5 minutes, you stop, higa ka ulit, scroll sa phone, and you think later na lang. Deep inside, you feel guilty, but there are biological reasons why you feel like this. You're not lazy. Here's the science. Kapag mainit, your body goes to cooling mode. This is called thermoregulation. Your brain reacts, emergency, kailangan mag-cool down. So yung energy mo napupunta sa pagpawis or sweating para makontrol yung body temperature mo. Instead of thinking, focusing, and doing your work. Plus, studies show that dehydration slows down our brain. Dehydration actually shrinks our brain. Mas mabilis mamatay ang brain cells. When you are thirsty, you are actually dehydrated. Huwag mong paabutin dun. Kasi it leads to brain fog. So, wala kang clarity. Hindi ka makapag-isip ng mabuti. Parang phone na nag-overheat, hindi na nagfa-function. So, we delay yung pag-work and that's where procrastination starts. So, paano ka magiging productive pag sobrang init? Simple lang, kayang-kaya mo to. Number 1, breathing equals instant reset. This is where science meets yoga. Slow breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system or the calm mode ng body. So less stress, less irritation, more clarity. Exactly what the yogis discovered 5,000 years ago and finally yung science ay nagka-catch up na. So try this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Dapat mas mahaba yung exhale kasi na-activate yung calm system and it signals your body to relax. Number 2, power siesta. Ito, favorite. En verano, hacemos la siesta todos los días durante 10 o 20 minutos, pero no más. Kapag tag-init, mag-siesta tayo every day. Pero 10 to 20 minutes lang. Huwag lalampas doon. Kasi pwede kang maging lethargic. So, Pinoy siesta, huwag yung Spanish siesta kasi sobrang haba nun. Science says, when we rest the mind, we improve focus, restore our energy, and boost our mood. Think of it as a mini recharge, not shutdown. Number 3, eat to cool your brain. Eat your water. Water-rich foods like pakwan, melon, pipino, lettuce. Eat for energy like eggs and bananas. Drink smart. Drink water or buko juice. Avoid mga sugary drinks and too much coffee. Kasi they make you crash harder. And number 5, timing is everything. Don't fight the heat. Work with it. Mga hard tasks, especially mga important decisions, do it in the morning when you have so much brain power. Yung easier task, administrative, or mga paulit-ulit na trabaho, do it in the afternoon. And yung pinaka-importante, start small para you can actually start and your brain will not complain and fight you. Why do simple tasks feel heavier pag tag-init? Ito medyo sneaky kasi partly because of your sleep. During summer kasi, we have longer daylight hours and shorter nights. So, nadi-delay din yung pag-produce ng body ng melatonin. Ito yung hormone na nagre-regulate ng sleep. Kapag mainit sa gabi, hirap kang matulog, hindi deep ang sleep, kulang ang melatonin. Resulta, kinabukasan, pagod ka, mabigat ang katawan, kahit maliit na task, parang ang hirap simulan. So again, this is not laziness. You are under-recovered. Now, here's something really powerful. Listen closely. Science says, kapag mainit, we get tired easily and even yung thinking process natin affected. So mas gusto mo na lang magpahinga than to work. Totoo yun. But several hundred years ago, yogis already discovered something deeper. In the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, they found out this simple but powerful truth. When the breath is unsteady, the mind is also unsteady. But when the breath is steady, the mind also becomes steady. Kapag magulo, mababaw o maikli ang paghinga, magulo rin ang pag-iisip. Pero kapag kalmado ang paghinga, kalmado din ang pag-iisip. Hindi sinasabing mawawala yung init, hindi sinasabing magiging comfortable ka kaagad, but it teaches you that you can feel the discomfort without being controlled by it. Hindi mo controlled ang weather, pero controlled mo ang mind mo on how to respond to discomfort. And when you train your breath, you train your mind. When you train your mind, you take back control. If you want to become that kind of person na kahit mainit, kahit pagod, you can still work efficiently, you can still focus. Then start small. Start with a little yoga, do a little breathing meditation. Just a few minutes a day can change your whole life for the better. I promise you that. And if you don't know where to start, start here at our YouTube channel, Awake by Neil. Ang daming beginner-friendly yoga classes and breathing meditation techniques that will gently guide you to calm your body, clear your mind, and unlock your natural energy and your full potential. The heat is here to stay at baka mas maging grabe pa nga. Pero pag kalmado ang breathing mo, hindi na mawawala ang control mo sa sarili mo. Master your breathing, master your mind, master your life one breath at a time. Share this with people who always complains about the heat. I'll see you on our yoga classes.